This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley-Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. All right, so we're back up in our fairing. Robbie's going to be disconnecting a few of these wiring harnesses for accessories that aren't being used. Just going to unsnap those from this amp bracket. He's now going to unplug our amplifier. And we've got a front amp bypass that's going to plug into this later. But for now, he's going to take, what is that, Robbie, an 11 millimeter?
11 millimeter.
Yeah, he's going to take out the two nuts on the end of the amplifier. This is going to allow him to lift that amplifier up and kind of slide it out. We've got two little rubber grommets on this end. He's sliding those out. We're going to set our amp over to the side. Yeah, T25 is going to take our 4 screws out. Now, keep these. We're going to need those to go back in later without this amp plate. All right, so if you had a boom stage 1 amp, meaning 1 amp in the fairing and 4 speakers, that's very popular when you have the Tour Pack speakers, and you also probably would not have the offset tweeter on these front grills. Then you would use this harness, and when you buy it in our kit, this is going to be pre-wired into the amp when you have a boom 1. Now when you have a boom 2 bike, which is what this one is, you're going to have 4 extra wires hanging off here, and you're going to say, what are these for? And it's going to say rear output, but it's only for rear output if you have boom 1. So you're going to actually just take your snips, cut each one of these wires off, tape this up. At that point, this is just going to plug in here, and that's all you have to do on your boom 2 bike. But there's no need in leaving all this off here, so we're going to cut these down, we're going to tape it up, and we're going to have just the end for the boom 2 plugged in. All right, so we just removed the Tessa tape up here at the top, flush cut those 4, and then wrapped a piece of electrical tape around it. Robbie does a really good job of making these look good. At that point, we're just going to plug it in. You've now successfully removed the boom amp. You have bypassed the boom amp, and we're ready now to move on to our next step. We're going to remove our radio. We'll go over that step, so follow that video. Then we're going to remove our speaker pods to upgrade our speakers. So let's move forward.